For more than 70 years, Weasler Engineering has proudly led the manufacturing industry as a top global agricultural driveline solution partner. Weasler products are engineered for reliability and precision, ensuring the seamless operation and longevity of agricultural equipment. To safeguard equipment from potentially damaging overloads, Weasler offers several different types of torque limiters, also known as clutches. Torque limiters instantly disengage the drive shaft when excessive torque is detected. A key driveline component, our most common torque limiters include ball shear, friction, ratchet, and automatic torque limiters. Ball shear torque limiters are commonly used on snowblowers, manure spreaders and mixer feeders. Advantages include simple, economical overload protection. Hidden shear bolt complies with ASABI and ISO standards. Ball raceway prevents separation after disconnect, and they're available with free motion or overrunning. You'll find friction torque limiters on rotary cutters, tillers and shredders. Benefits are: torque transmitted at a reduced level during disconnect, levels out torque fluctuation due to high cyclic loads, dissipates heat quickly, corrosion-resistant friction pads, and tamper-resistant. Ratchet torque limiters are most beneficial when used on combine headers. Advantages include automatic re-engagement when torque drops below setting, high torque pulses help push through obstructions, loud noise alerts operator of disconnect, and they're tamper-resistant. You'll find automatic torque limiters on balers and grain carts. Benefits are automatic re-engagement when speed and torque decrease, reduces re-engagement torque spikes, no maintenance, tamper-proof, and overrunning is available on some sizes. To prevent costly repairs and downtime, Weasler supplies torque limiters for virtually any application. To choose the right torque limiter for your application, consider torque range, application disconnect frequency and duration, transmitted torque during disconnect, re-engagement method, and cost of ownership. Partner with us, and we'll help solve your complex agricultural driveline needs.